how to accelerate your career strategies for getting better promotions faster. Welcome back to our Workforce Workshop podcast. So if you are eager to climb the career ladder and secure promotions faster, you are in the right place. Today, you are diving into actionable strategies to help you accelerate your career growth and achieve those coveted promotions. This is Shiraz Kelly, I'm your host, and let's get started. Number one to focus on is to set clear goals. The first step is to getting promotion faster is setting clear and ambitious career goals. Define where you want to be in your career in the short term and long term as well, and outline the steps needed to get there. Having a clear direction will guide your actions and keep you focused on advancing your career. Excel in your current role. One of the most effective ways to position yourself for promotions is to excel in your current role. Take ownership of your responsibilities. Go above and beyond expectations and consistently deliver high-quality work. Demonstrate your value to your employer by consistently exceeding performance targets and contributing to the success of your team and organization. Third point is to seek and act on it. Feedback is essential for growth and development in your career. Seek feedback from your managers, colleagues, and mentors on a regular basis, and use it to identify areas for improvement and growth. Actively address any of the weaknesses and leverage feedback to enhance skills and performance, making yourself a stronger candidate for promotion. The next step is to take on additional responsibilities. Showcasing your willingness to take on additional responsibility is a surefire way to catch the attention of the decision makers. Volunteer for new projects, lead cross-functional initiatives, and take ownership of challenging tasks outside your core responsibilities. Proactively seeking opportunities to contribute and add value will demonstrate your readiness for promotion. Develop your skills and knowledge. Continuous learning and skill development are essential for your career advancement. Invest in expanding your skills and knowledge through training programs, workshops, certifications, and online courses. Stay up to date with industry trends and development, and acquire new skills that are relevant to your desired career path. The more valuable skills you possess, the more likely you are to be considered for promotions. Build relationship and network. Building strong relationship and network within your organization can significantly impact your chances of getting promoted. Take the time to connect with colleagues, managers, and stakeholders across different departments. Participate in company events, join professional organizations, and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support in your career journey. Showcase your leadership potential. Demonstrating leadership potential is essential for moving up the corporate ladder. Take initiative, show confidence in decision-making, and lead by example in your interactions with colleagues and team members. Look for opportunities to mentor and coach junior employees, and actively seek out leadership roles within projects or committees. Showing that you have the ability to lead and inspire others will make you a strong candidate for promotion. Advocate for yourself. Finally, you don't be afraid to advocate for yourself when it comes to promotions. Make your career aspiration known to your manager and HR department, and proactively seek out opportunities for advancement. Highlight your achievements, contribution, and readiness for promotion during performance reviews and one-on-one meetings. By confidently advocating for yourself, you can increase your chances of getting noticed and considered for promotions. In conclusion, getting promotions faster requires a combination of ambition, hard work, and strategic planning. By setting clear goals, excelling in your current role, seeking feedback, taking on additional responsibilities, developing your skills, building relationships, showcasing leadership potential, and advocating for yourself, you can accelerate your career growth and achieve the promotions you desire. Thanks for tuning in, and the best of luck for your journey to career success. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like it, share, and subscribe for more content on career development, professional growth, and success strategy. If you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and advancing in your career. See you next time.